Let's see what the snow is like by the garage door, Orion. I'd say that looks like about 10 inches or so. You gonna go out? What do you think? Go on back out, Orion. No, 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 no. Come here. Hey, 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 no frisbee out there. Come here. You're going to lose it. Orion, come. Bring it. Bring it. Bring it here. You little shit. Hey, I don't want to run it over with the snowblower. Come on. Bring it here. Come. Come. Bring it. Bring it. Good. Drop. Drop. Uh-uh. No, 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 no. No. No frisbee right now. Sorry. You can run around. No, go outside. Go outside and run around. Go out and run around. Be a silly boy. No. No, no frisbee. Go on, out. Okay, he's gonna go poop.